Matt Sampson here with meteorologist Nick Wiltgen. Nick, we've got some conflicting reports right now from different publications about levels of Arctic sea ice. Do you know why that is?
Well, I can understand why these different reports would be confusing, so let's break it down. There's one set of reports that focuses on the year-to-year change from last summer to this summer. We're at the end of the summer melt season, and we actually do have about 50% more of the Arctic covered in ice this summer than we did last summer. But then we have another set of reports that's focusing on the last 3 years of winter sea ice, and year over year, that level has been declining both in coverage and in the actual three-dimensional volume of the ice.
So Nick, as a meteorologist, you're looking at the science behind this. What's the reality of Arctic sea ice levels?
Well, Matt, the reality is that we're coming off of an extremely low Arctic sea ice year in 2012. So it's really no surprise that a record-shattering low year would be followed by something a little bit less extreme. That's what we're seeing this year. But if you look at the long-term trend, you see the ups and downs over time, but you also see the long-term decline in sea ice. If you had cherry-picked any one of those little upticks on the graph and said global warming's over, Arctic sea ice melt is over, you would have been wrong, as it's continued to decline since then, and I expect that the future will hold even more in the way of Arctic ice sea melt.